In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method to Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your card details are saved correctly for future purchases and subscriptions. Start on the Canva homepage. Look down to the bottom left corner of your screen for your profile icon. It might show your photo, initials, or a generic avatar. Click that to open your account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account dashboard, where you can control preferences, security, and billing. Once you're in Settings, find the Billing section in the left sidebar and open it. This is where Canva keeps all things related to charges, invoices, and payment methods. In the Payment Method area, look for the Manage option and click it. Manage will open a focused view of your current payment methods, if any, and it's where you can add new ones or adjust existing details. Now click Add. Canva will show you the available payment options for your region and account type. Choose credit or debit card. This option supports most major card brands and is the most straightforward way to pay for Canva Pro, design elements, or print orders. You'll now see fields to enter your card details. Carefully type your card number, the expiration date, and the security code on the back or front of your card. Make sure the name on the card matches exactly what appears on your statement. Add your billing address as it appears with your bank, including postal code. Small mismatches, like abbreviations or missing apartment numbers, can cause verification errors, so accuracy matters here. If you're using a company card, enter the business billing address to help ensure tax and invoice details line up correctly. Before you save, give everything a quick review for typos. If your bank uses additional verification, you may see a quick pop-up or text prompt to confirm the card. When you're ready, click Save. Canva will validate the details and securely store the card on your account. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you're part of a team account, you might need admin permissions to add or change payment methods. If you see multiple cards later, look for options to set one as the default so all future charges route to the right place. And if saving doesn't work on the first try, double-check the billing address and postal code format used by your bank. That's it. Your payment method is now added, and you're ready to subscribe, upgrade, or make purchases seamlessly in Canva.